Hello everyone, and welcome to your ISW training. My name is Franco Santelli. Now today we'll be going through how to create an ISW. As you can see here, we've got our project opened up. For the purposes of demonstration, we're using P17256, and the client is 401 Mazda. Now, in order to create an ISW, we simply click on Create ISW. And now you're going to see the project name. Here we'll just put in a name. You do not have to enter a description yet. Just go ahead and press Save. Now, we're going to click on this button here called Add Sites. For the purpose of our demonstration today, we'll be adding a starter solution, new. So in order to do this, you put in your site name. You'll put in your principal domain name, as well as any secondary domain names. And the description is basically the name of the PTL that you choose. What you want to do is put in some ideas for color. And lastly, the type of site, whether it be corporate, eco-friendly, simple, your choice. Language, of course, you specify your language. Always keep the template to A, and select Import Sections from DC. Now, if you click on DC, you'll see a little box that opens up that looks like this. All you have to do is type in Evolio PTL. After pressing Next, it will become capitalized. Go ahead and click OK. And now, click on Full Project right here. And Site Auto123 is wrong. This is where we choose the type of starter or master or partner solution that we need. And what we want to do is always choose one of the templates that is written in capital letters. So in this particular case, if I wanted the starter new, I would go ahead and click this one. We've got partner here, master, we've got a starter used, we've got the Power Sports, the Polaris, Acadia and Sunset are already included here. But in my particular case, for testing purposes, let's go with starter. And then go ahead and click Save. So what you see here is the complete tree for the starter solution has been imported. New cars, used cars, promos, parts, service, contact, HTML letters. You've got the extra page 1 and 2 that are included in the starter solution, as well as your extra form. So what you want to do now is start adding your components. So on the home page, let's take a look at the subsections that are included. We've got the logo, we've got the updater promo, Twitter, Facebook, auto, homepage text, featured, pre-owned. Now what you want to do is go through each of these and add the information that's necessary. So Facebook, of course, I'm going to need your Facebook address right here. Same thing for Twitter. I'll need your Twitter address. If you do want a carousel on the main page, if it's included in your starter, you want to put in a component. You can add in photo, let's say, or other. Where's other? Right here. And then you would type in carousel as your component type. And then you can actually put in the type of photos that you want for your carousel. After doing that, you want to go through each section individually. So let's go ahead and press Save. And now let's go back to the section view. So let's say you were adding an extra form. You would go into this, and then you would type in the extra form that you want, and always be specific. In this section here, you want to put in the email address as to where the form is going. All right, let's go back to the section view. Here we go. Another thing that you want to keep in mind, of course, is, as I mentioned before, your social media. You want to put in your Facebook and your Twitter links. You do not need to enter description for each section. So used cars. Used cars has a description of its own. You do not need to enter descriptions for each of these sections. The extra page. If you'd like to add an extra page to your starter solution, it's very simple. All you have to go is go down here, extra page included, click on edit section. And what you want to do is give a name to your extra page, remove this, and put in your extra page number. And the description, what's going to be included. And then you scroll down and you start adding the components that you need from this list here. Now for HTML letters, we've made it very easy for you. What we've done is we've given you all 6 links to the HTML letters that are available to you. So all you have to do is erase the ones that you don't need and keep the one that you do need. So let's say you want new B, you would go ahead and delete all of the other links. So the same thing applies in English and French. Here you've got your French versions, suivi A, B, and C. And here you have your English versions. And once you're done, you simply click on Save. So going back to the section view, basically you have to go through each of your sections, make sure all the pertinent information is filled in, and then you're good to go. So thank you very much. If you do have any questions, please feel free to send myself or Peter an email. Thank you and have a good one. Bye.